Gratitude before me, gratitude behind me, gratitude to the left of me, gratitude to the right of me, gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude within me, gratitude all around me. I say, Daddy, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I feel so grateful. Every day I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Goes like this now. Gratitude before me, behind. Gratitude behind me, to the left. Gratitude to the left of me, to the right. Gratitude to the right of me, above me. Gratitude above me, below me. Gratitude below me, within me. Gratitude within, all around me. Gratitude all around. I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful to yourself. I'm so grateful to the people in your life in front of you. I'm so grateful, and you just let it all go. I'm so grateful, yes. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to yourself. I'm so grateful. If you want to stand up, you can, or sit down, whatever you want to do. Gratitude before me, behind. Gratitude behind me, to the left. Gratitude to the left of me, to the right. Gratitude to the right of me, above me. Gratitude above me, below me. Gratitude below me, within me. Gratitude within, all around me. I saw someone do this in the first service. All around me, and I'm so grateful. Open up to all you're grateful for, to yourself. And I'm so grateful. Let it go. I'm so grateful. Yes, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Put your hands over your hearts. Just put your hands over your heart for a second. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Just scan your life. Think about all that you're grateful for. See the faces of God in your life that are represented by kids or family members, people you work with, people in this church. Breathe it in. Let's sing it one more time. Gratitude before me, behind. Gratitude behind. All that was behind me, to the left. Gratitude to the left of me, to the right. Gratitude to the right of me, above me. Gratitude above me, below me. Gratitude below me, within me. Gratitude within, all around me. Gratitude all around me. I'm so grateful. 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 So you know, Meister Eckhart said, if the only prayer you say every day is thank you, that's enough. So start your day just saying, I'm so grateful.